Hi, I'm Taryn.
And I'm Kiralee.
And we are from Queens of Clutter, a Perth decluttering company. We're here today at the Summit Homes display, the Cento in Mindarie. Today I'm going to show you our top 3 organising tips for your bathroom. Everyone loves a beautiful clear bench top, but sometimes there's those items that you use multiple times a day or at least once a day and you just can't be bothered going to the drawer for them. So we recommend just one simple container, keeps everything together, stops everything spreading out across your bench top like they sometimes do. If you need to clean your bench, it's an easy pickup, wipe it down, or you can quickly slip it under if you've got company coming over and want a beautiful clear bench top. Okay, for your everyday items like your toothbrush, your morning skincare, we like to keep them in these central drawers here. You can pull it out, easy access, you can see what you've got, you don't miss anything. You can use these nice containers, keep everything separated and in its own container. Things don't end up as just a big massive jumble that you have to search for. Easy to put away and just close the drawer and it's out of the way. For under your cupboards, it's great to keep things, again, in containers, stops them spreading around. There's 4 main categories in a bathroom: hair care, skincare, makeup, and your bath and body products. It's great to keep all of those in a container each. Obviously, some people will have loads more of one than the other. Some people have lots of makeup. Some people, like myself, not so much. You can keep them in their own container, stops things spreading around too much. You can have a container for things like your electrical items, hairdryer, hair straightener, things like that. Keeps them in their cords all together so you don't have to go searching through things.